Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce unbox review this special hidden unit for Alfa Romeo 159. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, this is the shipping box, and you can check this camera. 360 camera. There are 4 camera. You can check 1, 2, 3. This harness, cables, and head unit. Okay, let me show harness set first. Please check this special harness for Alfa Romeo. This CAN-bus decoder box for original information for Alfa Romeo CAN system. This power and speaker plug. Okay, and this K1, K2 and GND4 steering wheel controls. And this AUX input left and right. AUX. It comes with radio antenna. And this 4G antenna. This 4G SIM card slot. You can check this SIM card. And GPS antenna. And there are 2 USB cable. And this microphone, 2 USB cable microphone. This camera input. And AUX input left and right. And the video input. This subwoofer. Sub out. And AUX RCA output, left and right, front and rear. Okay. This is special unit. Please check there are 2 screws. Please disconnect before installing head unit. Take out the screw before installing. Okay, and the side you can check, and back. Okay, let me check the back connection. This radio antenna and 4G GPS audio cable and power cable, this fuse. Okay, let me connect power and power the head unit, 12 voltage. Okay, this Android 13 system. It will show Belsee logo. This 300 camera view. This home. This home button with button light. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Also, you can choose the logo Belsee, and this reset button, IST reset button, this IR, this back button. Or it's here, this back button, click this, and there is the card slot 1 and 2, this volume button, this knob, this built-in the microphone, this for DVD, this navy built-in the navy button, built-in the Google Maps, and the home button. This rejects out the CD player, CD DVD player. Okay, let me check the Belsee, and you also can choose time and other navigation and music or speed. Also choose the Alfa Romeo. Okay, let me check settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. And you can adjust this theme color with any color on this panel. Okay. This is the home button. Long press, you can either choose the app. Or it's here. You also can change the home screen with launcher. Okay, this radio, this knob. You can change the radio stations on this knob. This volume, this radio, this home button, and color. Oh, it's here, and let me check the built-in the Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from it. Okay, about device, let me check the Android version. Android version is 13. Latest the Android version. Memory. This is total 8GB. And storage total 128GB. And about device, you can check the Android system, Android 13 system, 8GB and 128GB. This is the factory setting password. You need to set the break with 0 if not, and click save if you note you can't watch video. Okay, and you also can change the reset all settings in here. Display theme style, different theme style. You can choose any theme style in this total 9 theme style. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Okay, thank you.